Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to turn your Facebook traffic into real leads and sales? In this video, we are diving into how to create a high converting landing page, especially for your Facebook ads. So let's get into it. A Facebook landing page is a dedicated web page that someone leads on after clicking your Facebook ad or link. It's not your homepage, it's not your Instagram. It's a focused, goal-driven page designed to convert visitors, whether that means collecting emails, marketing a sale, or booking a call. So here's the deal. If your landing page isn't optimized, you are probably losing money. You can have the best ad in the world, but if your landing page is slow, confusing, or not aligned with your ad, people bounce. A great landing page can boost conversion, lower your ad costs, and make your whole campaign more profitable. Alright, now let's break down how to actually create one that converts. First, make sure your landing page headlines and design match your Facebook ads. If your ad says free skincare samples, the page better say the same. Consistency builds trust. A strong, clear headline. Your headline should tell visitors exactly what they are getting, make it short, benefit focused, and attention grabbing. Don't confuse people with 10 different buttons on page, one goal. Whether it's signing up, buying, or booking, making that action obvious and easy. And reviews, testimonials, or logos of brands you have worked with. People trust people. Most Facebook users are there on their phone, so make sure your landing page look like amazing and loads fast on mobile. Use buttons on standout instead of submit, try, get my free ebook, or start my free trial. Make the CTA existing. No clutter, no distraction. Use clear fonts, short text, and clear design. The less friction, the better. Not a designer, no worries. You can build beautiful landing pages using tools like Kurt, Unbounce, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, or even Shopify if you are selling a product. That's it. Now you know what a Facebook landing page is and how to make one that converts. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments what you are working on.